So the last few weeks we've been talking a lot about these cool little mounts from King. They are galvanized or powder coated. They're awesome. Watch the other videos if you want to learn about them. But today we're going to be using them for probably what they're really designed for, and that's installing things like these puppy panels. A puppy panel is basically what it sounds like. It is a panel for puppies or small animals or children. You add this to any prefab fencing that has already been installed or as you're installing it, and what it does is it sits in between the pickets of the fence panel. So essentially what it does is it adds another panel, or it adds another picket in between each picket, making a much tighter gap for any small animal or child to squeeze through. So we're gonna go through today, I'm gonna show you how I quickly installed this puppy panel. So well, let's do it. Now obviously before you go onto your site, you're gonna measure your fence panels and see what size panels that you're gonna need for this. For this case, in this particular fence, all of these panels are kind of different sizes. I don't really know what the rhyme or reason was for that on this particular fence. So this one I actually had a longer panel and I cut it so I could fit it into this smaller section here. So the next thing you're gonna do is just set it up against your fence panel. Make sure everything is nice and level, and again, you wanna check on make sure everything is kind of centered. You're gonna take your mounts and just slide them inside of the 1-inch tubing of the crossbar, put that up against the post, and see where you need to drill your self-tapping screws that came with each mount. And real quick, make sure that all of your mount tabs are facing the same direction throughout your whole project. Drill your self-tapping screws in there into your mount and do the same thing on the other side and repeat a bajillion times until your project is finished. So that's it. You see, it's really, really easy to install these puppy panels. What I would do is I would actually recommend maybe making a pamphlet or a flyer or maybe even a little video or something like that and take to your local vets and just let them know about this. They could be a great salesperson for you. People, their dogs get out all the time. This would be an excellent thing to advertise at dog stores, pet supermarkets, anything like that. So keep that in mind when you're trying to sell these things. I think it's a pretty easy sell if you are able to get in with some veterinarians or some pet supermarkets or places like that. So give it a try. Let us know how it goes. All right.